Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 5th of March 2018. How are you guys? How were your holidays? Did you enjoy your Holi? And I'm sure you must have worked on your skills, right? So let's see what's happening in the market. Market isn't just a huge downfall, right? Market is in a huge downfall. And let's look at it. This is Nifty, right? Let me put its pivot points and then we'll try to analyze. Nifty, I'm sure, opened way below its pivot point, right? Nifty opened way below its pivot point and it's trying to take a support on R2. This is pivot point, this is R1, this is R2. Nifty is just trying to take a support on R2. And what could be a possibility? Let's think about the possibilities. Like this is MACD about to cross over. RSI is below 40. It's at 22.89, right? So it's actually a very over. Nifty is right now in the highly oversold zone, right? So there could be a possibility a bounce may come in Nifty. Like whenever the the RSI goes below 20, it's actually kind of a good opportunity for one to enter into Nifty, right? So what can be done? Let's say now somebody wants to buy, so wait for all the confirmation. MACD may cross over, but RSI definitely has to go above 40. Remember that. And until RSI goes above 40, you don't have to enter into Nifty, right? Remember that. And so what you have to keep in mind, that wait, even if MACD crosses, RSI has to go above here 40 plus. Its value should be 40 plus. So today has been a massacre in the market, in the sense that every stock has fallen, every single stock has fallen, so that is okay, because when we sit in the market and such huge correction comes in, so there is, even the good stocks like Flips Carbon, Graphite India, every stock except CUB. Have you seen? CUB is still almost heading up, right? Refusing to get stopped, right? Refusing to get stopped by what's happening in the Nifty. So, what I'm telling you, on my radar today is NIT Tech, right? NIT Tech. I entered into little early, but many of my members have entered when the morning range was broken, right? And they enjoyed the run up till this point. And it still looks very solid to me. NIT Tech still looks very solid to me. And on my radar is definitely RCOM. But RCOM, is actually a very volatile stock. So one has to trade in it very carefully. So one thing that I have in my mind, although RCOM corrected a lot, but its call refuses to go down, and it's pretty much an indication that the stock is rock solid and it doesn't want to correct at this moment, right? Another stock that I have on my radar, or I've traded in, is Voltas, right? I have traded into Voltas, right? And when its morning range was broken, it was a good entry time for Voltas. So a bit of up and down continues, but one should not really worry about it in the market. Market gives you various and many opportunities. So to me, Nifty looks on a very good support. This is Nifty futures, and if I look into Nifty cash, it's almost standing on a big support for quite some time, right? If I look into the Nifty futures, it's been on a good support for quite some time. Okay, now I want to take you to the Nifty's option chain. Let's see what's happening in the Nifty option chain. So Nifty has a huge call writing at this level, which is 10,400. To an extent, it is clear that Nifty may not go above 10,200, right? Nifty may not go above 10,000 to 400, sorry, 10,400. And where is that point? Where is 10,400? So 10,400 is somewhere here. Let me take a pen. That will give us a better understanding. 10,400 is somewhere here. at this point, right? So even this momentum, if comes in Nifty, will give us good, uh, good support to the stocks which are in the uptrend. Even if this slight momentum comes in Nifty, that'll give support to the stocks that we have identified. Even Voltas should give you a good momentum after that. Our com should give you a good momentum, and NIIT Tech should give us also another run up in this particular after Nifty takes a support and honors that support, right? So hoping for the best. Let's see how the day passes, like when, I mean, how the whole day will go now. It will be quite a lot, will be decided by the direction of the Nifty. And one stock, which has kind of been deceptive, but I expect it to bounce back, is RCOM. That is one stock I'm hoping to give us some kind of a relief soon. But everything comes down to Nifty. Everything comes down to Nifty, right? So let's see. Let's wait and watch. So, I mean, if you look into it, SKF India is today kind of holding itself. CUB is holding itself, and I'm sure all those who have bought it on my recommendation must be in good profit. Even I have bought it. I have bought some good quantity of. I have 100 shares of CUB, so I'm having. I can show you my holdings. So this is where I have CUB. I bought it at 170. I have this profit, but the rest of it, I'm expecting will be fine the moment Nifty takes a support and bounces back, right? So I also trade along with you guys. I also go through the pains and the sorrows and the happiness of that what you go through, right? So I also have the same sentiments or same movements along with Nifty, along with the trades. So I'm now waiting for Nifty to give me a signal that it is now going to be heading up, right? I'm just waiting for that signal, and hopefully it should come soon because it has to find its bottom somewhere. It's 10,346, right? 10,350. Nifty has been holding itself at this value for quite some time. But let's see how it goes. But all days in market are not same. All days in the market are not same. But right now I have put this line. If it crosses this with volumes in the downward direction, or maybe let me just put it a little below, wherever the today's bottom is, beyond this it will just head down, right? And above this, if MACD RSI crossover in the upward direction, it should be giving us good trades, good profit. In that case, we can look for to buy a call. But I told you, how much will it go up at the point 10,400, right? Now a momentum has to come in the market. A momentum has to come in the market. If there will be a momentum, then only Nifty will be able to cross all its barriers. So wait for the, hope for the best. Hope for the best. That's what can be said. But let's see. Let's see how market responds in next half an hour, 45 minutes, or 1 hour, or say before, let's say 2 o'clock. That will be um, a lot more like the end. Today's closing will determine a lot of things, right? But one thing I want to tell you guys, be always very, very careful whenever in one day Nifty is experiencing a resistance like this. See the beautiful fall. And then if you look into one day, this looks a very, very big support at this point. Wherever we are, 10,350 looks to be a very, very good support. Nifty has bounced back from there once, twice, thrice, 4 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and today is 5th time that it is on the same support. So let's see, right? So I'm feeling if Nifty doesn't cross this level, let me go to 15 minutes back. If Nifty doesn't cross this level, then there could be some upside that could be seen. But if Nifty crosses this barrier, then it will have next level as 10,321, right? Which it looks to be crossing. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. hope that it bounces back from here. And if it bounces back from here, the Nifty has a bit more upside lined up. Fine. So another stock that I have on my radar is IDBI. IDBI is right now crossing its morning range. Right now it's crossing its morning range. It could be a good opportunity for entering into it. Let me just see how much money is needed for IDBI. IDBI, how much money is needed? Oh my god, it's huge amount of money is needed. 1,14,000. MI's margin is also so huge. Okay, so what can be done? IDBI, let's see the options. How much is the option of IDBI cost? IDBI options. So IDBI option 82 rupees. It's the lot size is how much? 10,000, and cost is somewhere around 4 rupees, 5 rupees, 6. It's a very expensive this thing. So I think we should not really, but this looks good to me. If you want to buy some stocks, I think I would like to buy some MIS quantity. Let's say 1,000 and 81.8 is the cost, right? Let's see how it goes and what happens. Let's see. So let's see. I have given the order. Let's see what happens. So this looks good to me. See, it's crossing its morning range with volumes. So that means there is upside lined up for this particular stock, right? There is upside lined up for this stock. So if it goes up, it will be giving good profit. All right. So if you don't want to spend huge amount of money, you can check your morning range breakouts with small quantities, right? You can take your morning range breakouts with small quantities and see how are they validated. Do they give you good profits or not, right? So once again, let me just reiterate quickly. If I have made the Nifty's bottom, this is a huge support that Nifty has. If Nifty honors this support, Nifty will go up, and if it does not honor, there is another few more points. Roughly about 40-50 more points. Downside is possible. Downside is possible. So with this, I'm signing off. We'll meet tomorrow. Good day. Bye bye. All right. See you tomorrow. Take care of your health and do the trading with responsibility. No irresponsible trading. Right. With this, I'm signing off. We'll meet tomorrow again. Bye bye.